God's verdict is that there has been a transference of something into that baby that even the parents may not know. Every armed robber was once a baby. Every killer was once a baby. Did he come out of his mother's womb with a knife? Yes, the knife was in his heart. He only looked for it physically later on. The Bible says in iniquity. That means the tendency for rebellion was already in me. It was not outsourced. It was already in me. The circumstances that gave it visibility only were platforms for expression. So, a little baby who looks at the mother, as innocent as that baby is, he winds his tiny hand and slaps the mother, and the mother cries and the baby laughs. Question, who taught that baby? That there is joy you can derive in the pain of another. Question 2, a baby is crying for milk